They don't know, they do not know. Kanila mama so wenzani. They don't know what they wanna do. Kanila mama so wenzani. Abazim, abazim. Kanila mama so wenzani. They don't know what they wanna do.
Hey creators, you cannot make it to finish line. Well, let go of your crown. Tell them one when they're all tryna hold you down. Don't talk back, let them talk to your middle finger. When did you stop lifting your head high, my nigga? Black is beautiful, nah, still big on nigga. Be a queen for a while, so Findaba sis. A question is, where's the love you all speak of? I fell in love with Hennessy, back in Tennessee. With a bad ever not you sis. Welcome to a dog pound empire where me I lost a child too, so I know your pain, Remy. I got an S so hard, tattooed on my heart, maybe. It must be like, it must be whatever you wanna call it. Black is beautiful. Once you go black, you can never go back. I've been beefing a lot, pass me a toothpick. Outlaw Macavella, Cavella on the beef. I got you claiming that you go there instead of Cavella. You posting shit, I got there, I'm sending my mailer. On my Louis V shit too, Colo Mampela.
Kanila mama so wenzani. They don't know, they do not know. Kanila mama so wenzani. They don't know what they wanna do. Kanila mama so wenzani. Abazim, abazim. Kanila mama so wenzani. They don't know what they wanna do.
Shit where I sleep, I don't shit like yo. But if I do, keep beware, nigga with shit on yo. Mama's couch and my shoe size, my bubble. I'm heavy though, knock vulnerable. I carry those who couldn't carry me or bury me though. I shit on those sheep, talking shit about the goat. Go, lepo is coco. I'm more coco than black gold. Until I'm crowned like a king, bull kings. Black as your knees, a swaggy man to your missing. I dream blue cause I'm black like you, dude.
They don't know what they wanna do. Kanila mama so wenzani.